Hey guys, super quick, make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. Hello everybody, welcome back to the St. Louis Car Museum. I'm Ian, and today we're featuring a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS 396. This Camaro is finished in Daytona Yellow over black. It has a 4-speed manual transmission, power 4-wheel disc brakes, and a rebuilt 396 cubic inch V8 engine. The Camaro was Chevrolet's answer to the ever-growing popularity of the Ford Mustang. Being introduced just 2 years after the Ford Pony car, Chevy wanted to impress buyers with more aggressive body lines, multiple trim options, along with both big and small block engine options. It instantly made a dent in Ford sales each and every year. And a new generation in the Ford and Chevrolet rivalry had begun. The final year of this generation Camaro came about in 1969 and continues to be the most desirable today. Hey guys, super quick, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like rare cars, you're gonna love the rest of our social medias too. So give those a follow, and I'll see you next time.